Meron tayong buwisita, guys.
Ang sama!
Sa London, baka sakali tayo pulutin. Sarap ng amoy. Nakaka-relax.
Tara na.
Next cruise, hello! By the way, ang aking outfit, top is from TikTok. Visit nyo ang aking TikTok para malaman nyo kung saan ko ito nabili. Skirt is from For Me. Nice siya guys kasi chiffon. Medyo ang ganda ng texture, malambot at malamig. Flats is from Sapon. I got this in Korea. Kalimutan kong magdala ng bag na black. Ang dami kong damit na black and white, pero nakalimutan kong magdala ng black bag ko. So, I only have this and my Loewe puzzle bag na hindi naman bagay. Feeling ko hindi bagay eh. Feeling ko talaga dapat black yung bag ko eh. Ay. And I have pala my LV, pero parang masyadong formal. Iikot lang naman sa shift. Parang nakabayong pa. This white na lang. Okay, let's go. Okay.
A very good day, ladies and gentlemen.
Diba?
This is your captain. I hope you're all enjoying your time on board as we make our way towards the historic and picturesque English Channel.
English Channel.
As you can feel, the weather is getting better and better the further into the channel we move. So it's going to be a nice day at sea.
Wow, very good.
As we sail through these waters, we're passing by some of the most significant maritime routes in history. The English Channel has been a vital link between the British Isles and the mainland Europe for centuries.
Wow.
We will follow the French coastline until around 1 o'clock tomorrow morning, when we will alter our course to the north and start heading towards Southampton. We are aiming to pick up our harbour pilots at around 3 o'clock tomorrow morning, just east of the Isle of Wight. We are planning to be alongside with our gangway set at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Since we will arrive very early tomorrow, I would like to take the opportunity to thank you all for sailing with us on this very first cruise with the Norwegian Aqua. I hope to see you back on board again, and I wish you safe travels tomorrow, either home or onwards. Have a fantastic day at sea. This is the captain.
Yes, Captain! Oh. Okay guys, so you heard the captain saying the weather is getting better. We're cruising daw pala the French Channel until this afternoon. And then, tomorrow, darating tayo ng Southampton in early morning. At, bababa tayo. Okay. 17. Okay.
We have sausage. Lunch, ma'am. Welcome.
I would like to have the same portion. I need arms like this.
This rice. What do you have?
Tom yum.
Yeah, I like that. Mainit kuya ha. I'm having tom yum soup muna. Hindi pa ako kumuha ng iba. Babalik tayo mamaya. Hindi masyadong mapula. Let's taste it. Tom yum, yes. has squid. May-ari lang. One more. Dark chocolate mousse. We'll get 3 leches. Tikman natin to. Vegetable. Wala tayong plain rice. Kuya. Saka sinigang. Kung pao chicken. Wow!
Rigatoni with mushroom and pineapple. Wow! Rigatoni with mushroom and pineapple. Season the mushroom and
They have just leches, fruits, rice, steak, pasta, chicken, everything. Meron natin itong pasta, aglio olio. In fairness, masarap. Good. Naman natin ang beer. Masarap din. Very good. Malambot.
Ay, bababa na focus yung Germany.
Pilipino nga pala ito na naman. Pero busy niya. Sino yung Japan? Apat.
Sila yung promote ng plan ng
Pero ano we're off to have dinner at Le Bistro. Le Bistro. Okay, it's Italian. It is. Wow. Last time in Escape, I ordered lobster thermidor. So lobster thermidor again here.
Are you using all the snail?
Oh, yes.
All the snail stuff?
Snail snack.
And bee pollen as well?
Yes, that was really popular in Korea maybe 2 years ago now. There's new trendy stuff like this one, I'm gonna give off.
What about Botox?
Gonna
It's
send
cheap
it
over
to
there,
your
isn't
room.
Everything, I think.
Isn't
Beauty.
Botox cheap over there?
Yes.
And even the men do Botox.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, it's just their lunch break.
Yeah.
I'm my lunch, bro.
Yeah.
So what was Mike saying on your meeting that we had?
Yeah, good choice.
I'm so full. Ang sarap talaga ng pagkain sa Le Bistro. I had sea bass. It's so fresh. Mami yung mahilig sa isda. And the Fraser dessert, the strawberry cake, is a good closure to the meal. Parang gusto ko pa nga mag-take to, nahiya lang ako. Pa-letter na naman dito si Captain. Si Captain, daming mga pasulat. Okay guys. Mandatory United Kingdom face-to-face immigration inspection. This applies to all guests. As per United Kingdom immigration regulations, please be advised that there will be a mandatory face-to-face immigration inspection on board Norwegian Aqua tomorrow on our arrival. Meron din palang airport transfer sa Norwegian Aqua. Okay. And tayo is still on vacation. So, dun tayo sa end ng cruise on the 28th pa tayo. Bakit nakahikaw pa ako? Matutulog nakahikaw. Anyway, guys, so there's just a lot of activities on board, especially pag gantong paggabi na. As in, yung ship is buhay na buhay. Pero yung energy ng mami nyo is opposite, di ba? Sa umagang-umaga gising, madaling araw pa lang gising na. Pero ang aga mag-retire sa gabi. Yeah, kaya you don't see much of the activities, pero marami talaga, guys. As in, you will not run out of things to do on board. Nakaka-overwhelm nga minsan kung anong pipiliin mo kasi may mga gusto ka tapos magkasabay ng dates. Good morning, guys. I will be doing my skincare. Daily moisturizer from Target Pro. Taking advantage of our beautiful bathroom. Mahilig mag-vlog sa CR. Ganda kasi. Kaya, parang meron tayong babalikan, di ba? I need a lifting. Ganyan, no? Kailangan ko ng lifting na ganyan. Mga mare ko. Steve, ganyan. Aging is real. And then, next is for my eye. Yan. May lumalabas na something over here. Ayan. Kikita nyo naman, diba? Ayan. Massage lang. Gently massage from inner to outer. Pa-upward. Para yung ating mga wrinkles dyan is mabawas-bawasan. Yan. Gusto ko din meron dito sa gitna. And then, nararamdaman ko na malapit ng mag-duck yung barko. Gently massage. Okay? Nakatayo yung hair ko. Ba't ganun? May static ba yun? Static it is. Let's add serum. Yeah, in the morning, naglalagay ako ng vitamin C. Indirect dyan sa face nyo. Like that. Pero, abangan nyo lang na hindi tutulo agad-agad. Yeah. Laging pa-upward ang inyong massage. Para mag-lip ang mga nagsasag na skin. Next is sunscreen naman tayo. SPF 50++. Sun protection. Yes. Kahit walang araw, guys, ha, kailangan nyo mag-sunscreen. Hindi pwedeng wala. Kahit yung mga gadget, nag-i-emit siya ng, you know, they call it green lights. Pag nagluluto, ito yung sa akin, most probably nakuha ko to sa mga cooking ko. More than the sun sa cooking. Yes. Yeah. And then, set in lang ulit, and then let's do my makeup. Hello! Wow, ang ganda!
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of our captain, staff and crew, we would like to thank you for trusting us on our vacation, and we should say a pleasant journey home.
Yes! Welcome to London! Southampton pa lang tayo, guys, ha? Wala pa tayo sa London itself where makikita natin yung Big Ben, London Eye, Notting Hill. Pupunta tayo doon, pero ito muna. Nakadock tayo ngayon dito sa Southampton. Pwedeng lumabas. Let's see. Antayin ko sila Hazel. And then, mamayang gabi, aandar uli ang barko on our way to Brussels. Brussels, hello! Sa pag-inhale, exhale. Fresh ng air. It's a big port and it will take like an hour and a half travel to go to the main, sa city mismo, where most of the attractions are. I need to have breakfast, then go around. Probably maraming tao sa labas. Pagka mga disembarkation, embarkation, ang mga tao is aligaga and they are all busy. Meron po bang honey? Apple. Juicy pie. Okay. Sarap ng coleslaw.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard Norwegian Aqua. This is your assistant cruise director, James. We kindly remind all guests to check in at their designated assembly station and present their guest key card, as this is mandatory. This will help you familiarise yourself with the location you need to report to in the event of an emergency. You can find your assigned assembly station indicated at the bottom of your guest key card.
Guys, parehas kami nagla-lunch dito sa Surfside, pero nandoon siya sa merong Seaview.
Kasi pag pumupunta ko dito, pasara na, tapos punong-puno ng tao yung Seaview.
Ako naman lagi ako nasa Seaview. Lahat na lang, pati breakfast ko, naka-Seaview. Kaya lumilipat na naman ako sa hindi Seaview para may iba kayong makita.
Sabi niya sa akin, dito ka na, para dito. Sabi ko, first time ko lang makaupo sa Seaview, papalisin mo ko doon. Sabi ko sa kanya,
ako lagi ako nandiyo dyan. Di magkahiwalay kami.
Magkaaway ang mga table namin. Iba kami ng mga trip.
Kap ng food?
Finally in Southampton. Grabe, hindi ako makapanyo. Ito na naman ako. Mami, ang drama ko.
Hindi, sa totoo lang.
Hindi talaga ako makapaniwala.
Minsan mapapaisip ka na lang eh. Alam mo yung mapapaisip ka tapos para ka masisenti.
Nasisenti na ako sa mga walls na hawak-hawak ko yung mga walls.
Tapos, sabi ko nga sa kanila, malapit na ako malungkot. Kasi 3 days na lang, magdi-disembark na kami. But, sabi ko sa kanya, next cruise, hello. Ganun lang dapat.
Nakaka-happy talaga. As in, guys, nasabi mo na ba na minumukmuk mo to last trip? Na sana nag-Portugal tayo, tas London na lang. Portugal or London. Sabi niya.
Sa previous vlog.
Sa previous, basta sabi ni Mami sa akin na sana daw kasi yung last Europe trip namin, maiba naman, hindi naman sana yung mga Switzerland. Gusto niya Portugal, ganyan. Tapos or London sana. Tapos hanggang dulo sabi ko sa inyo, sana nag-Portugal tayo or London na lang tayo. London, Scotland, ganun siya.
Then suddenly,
A month after ng pagmumukmuk niya, nag-email si NCL na Portugal, London.
entry Portugal, lumaki yung mata ko, tapos exit London, guys. Di ba, yun naman binigay sa akin yung 2 wini-wish ko.
Iba talaga si Mami. Last time naman, sabi niya gusto niya mag-Taiwan. Pero ayaw niyang gumasto. Sabi ko, paano tayo magta-Taiwan kung ayaw mo gumastos? Maya-maya after ilang weeks,
May project kami sa Taiwan. O, delivery, diba?
Meron pa. Wait, there's more. Si Mami ulit, sabi niya, gusto ko mag-Japan. Japan siya. As in February. Or basta ngayong year. Sabi ko, gusto ko talaga mag-Japan. Tapos niyayaya niya ako Japan.
Dead lang niya ako. Kasi busy naman kasi siya.
Mami, please. Ang dami ko talagang ginagawa. Maya, sabi niya sa akin, punta kang Japan, may work ako.
Watsons pala yun.
Ay, nako, nakaka-happy. Pero kakaibang work ko. Hindi ako makapaniwala makakapunta tayong London, Mami.
Alam mo ako, hindi naman sa hindi ako makapaniwala. Parang lagi namang lahat ng bagay is possible. Nakakatuwa lang na, alam yun, na mamanifest natin. Tapos, di ba, nangyayari.
Alam mo, naniniwala talaga ako sa manifestation. And I always do it. Like yung parang mga vision boards, nagko-consolidate ako ng mga photos, pinipaste ko sila sa notebook ko. I really
Ako naman hindi, sinasabi ko lang.
Ikaw yung favorite ka. Malakas to sa guardian angel na. As for me, kailangan ko pa siyang i-manifest ng sobra.
Ang sarap ng mga pagkain. Ang dami ko nakain.
Alam mo dati, mabilis ka kumain. Yan ang tagal mo na. Ina-enjoy ko siya. Kung hindi lang guys, nakapag-shoot na ako sa swimming pool.
Alam nyo, one thing I came to realize, habang tumatanda ako, bumabagal ako.
Oo nga.
Sa totoo lang, hindi ko na siya ibig sabihin parang it's a natural progression ng body or ng katawan, no? So, ganun nga siguro talaga, pag nagkakaedad ka, medyo pabagal ang effect mo. Ganun, kaya hindi tayo pwede makipag-compete sa mga bagets.
Hindi wala naman nakikipag-compete sa'yo. The only competition that you have is
Yourself.
So, may jowa ko.
So, I have 2 drinks, ginger ale and Coke. Tignan ko. Sa totoo lang, lumaki yung tiyan ko dito sa cruise. Sa True Legend lang. As in, sana lumaki yung mukha ko. Lumaki sana yung braso ko, yung mga legs ko. Yung lumaki yung tiyan ko. Bakit may ganito, Mi? Dati talagang mayroong sauce, may caramel sauce, Mare. Ha?
Oo, nakakasarap siya. Kasi hindi siya
Nilagay mo o nandiyan dyan na?
Hindi, wala. Hindi ako yung chef.
Ano, wala akong chef.
Good morning.
Pero sarap. Ang sarap na acid easy.
Ang sarap niya.
Hindi mo na siya kailangan yun.
Mars, hindi ako yung naglagay yung chef. Ay,
Yes,
yes,
kuya.
sir. Hindi ako yung naglagay.
Nilagay pa nila?
Oo, ang sarap kaya.
Perfect na eh. Thank you.
Mag-thank you ka na lang.
Perfect na, masarap na.
Tikman mo ng may caramel.
Tamis na eh. Wala silang rice na nakalabas daw. Pero humingi ako sa Pilipino, binigyan ako. Kinuhanan nila ako sa pantry nila. Ang dami naman kasi, Bi. Ang sabi ko kay Kuya, konti lang, half cup lang. May lang ako makain.
Ano mo to? German cake.
Binigyan ako, Bi. 3 cup.
German cake.
Ay, ba't German?
German cake.
Panalo to.
Panalo lahat ng dessert sa Surfside.
Panalo to.
The best
Hindi.
line of dessert ay nandito sa Norwegian Aqua. Ang sarap magtimpla ng pastry chef. Nakita ko siya somewhere.
Si chef?
Naglalakad-lakad, pastry chef.
Babae.
Parang guy na Filipino. Na
Ah,
medyo,
Pinoy.
nasa tito.
Ah, ganun? Bakit naging German cake? Can you please explain? Meron siyang desiccated coconut. Masarap din. Nice. Kaya, gusto ko yung mga pamerang. Panalo. Panalo. On my way to the immigration, kailangan nilang makita yung passport na meron akong valid UK visa. Ito yung mga lalabas. Yes. Another Filipino in the house. Wala po tayo sa mall. Wala po tayo sa resort. Nandito po tayo sa Norwegian Aqua. So this is a ship. Cruise ship po siya. Yes. Di pa ako nakakapag slot machine. Mamaya yan sa akin. See you around, kuya.
10:30 pa.
Kailangan iwan niya ng
Arnold, yes. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you, Sir Arnold.
I'll see you around.
See you later.
Just in case you need something from our area, hanapin na lang po.
Okay po. Thank you.
Enjoy UK.
For a while.
Pababa ng UK ang tour natin.
Aqua Theater located on the number 6.
Mandaras pa naman. Ayan. Wow. This is Mandaras pa.
So we have the pools here. This is the Vitality pool and the small one is the salt pool.
Vitality pool.
And this is sliding door. You will have the changing room areas.
Mhm.
And then if you go there, into this corridor, we have all the thermal rooms. So we have
Okay.
the steam room, the sauna, ice room. And then if you just keep walking all the way forward, there is the relaxation room with the heated beds.
Is there a like a process? The first should be this, second should be this.
Well, there is not like a sequence that you have to follow, but what I would suggest is I would start with the pool, then I would
With
go
the
to
Vitality.
yes, then I would go to the steam room to open the pores, and then after that I would jump to the sauna, and then I would just leave the cold rooms for the end.
At the end.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so anong oras tayo, Mare?
8 to 10 p.m.
Mamaya. Okay. Wow. Changing rooms. Yes. Okay. And then here we have the sauna, the steam bath. Okay, thermal suite. Yeah. Aromatic steam room. What's in here? Okay. Wow. Charcoal sauna. Experiential shower. Ano yun? What is experiential shower? It's a clay sauna. Okay, and the salt room. Yeah. Ah. Same. Hi. Wow. Oh, there's free juice here. Oh. Hello, Kuya. Okay. Oh, this thermal room. Okay, wow. Diba? May taga-bukas pa ako. Hi. Wow, what a view. Parang ano lang po, no? Lounge area.
Yeah, thermal lounge is like a heated,
Oh!
hot stone. You can touch it. You can
So you get to sit down if you like to feel it.
Really, this is heated?
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
good for your back pain.
Oh, but it cannot be adjusted.
No, only this one and the lower one is the one in the front.
I mean, like, the heat can be adjusted.
Yeah, the heat can be adjusted, but for the normal temperature, like it's only 4 to 5. They have the setting for this one.
Pwedeng ma-adjust ang mga temperature. Nice. Ganda. Mas parang pwede ka pang matulog dyan. It's not heated. May mga hindi rin pala iinit. Yes. So if you guys looking for pure bliss and relaxation, then the Mandara Spa Thermal Suite is the one. Mamaya pa kami magta-try kasi merong reservation. 8 o'clock pa kami. 8 to 10. So 2 hours. Meron tayong buwisita, guys.
Ang sama! Mars, ang ganda ng room mo. Ang ganda mag-antagon.
Kasi maganda ako. Maganda rin kasi ako. Bumabagay lang yung ganun.
We can go anywhere.
Anong short yan? Bukas.
Bukas pala. World and we can go anywhere.
Tag-isa kami ng room, by the way. Hindi ko pala yata nasabi.
Thank you.
O, B, puro likod pakita mo. Wala ka namang mukha. Guess what? So, sabi ko sa atin nyo, pumunta ka nga dito, B, at maghanap tayo ng hotel natin sa London. Baka sakali tayo pulutin. Wala pa kaming hotel sa London.
Truth.
Kasi extension namin yun, guys. So, parang undecided ang mga attaché nyo. Kasi, nung a couple of days ago, ibubook ko na, B. Kaso naman, hindi ko alam ba't hindi mag-proceed. Nakakabanas.
Hindi, dapat magbubook tayo, pero hindi rin natin sure kasi yung weather last time, kung makakarating din tayo on time.
That's one thing, B. Pero, makakarating yun. Hindi wala akong ganong reservation.
Wala. Mag-isa lang ako sa gano'n.
Oo, tingnan mo, nakarating ka naman, di ba? Oo. Hindi yun yung iniisip ko. Iniisip ko mo. Yan na ba yung dating inano natin? Okay guys, sasakay sila Hazel ng Aqua Slide Coaster. Ito.
Sakay ka na sa likod ko.
Wow, dyan sila sasakay. Wow! Oh my God!
Let's go, Mommy!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, open.
Okay. So, dyan ka pupunta. Tapos, bababa siya ng where?
Tendex. Silipin niyo, Mami.
Tendex ang babagsakan.
Pero pala,
Tower of Terror, Mars.
Ayan yun. So, para kang nakapahiga? Higa yan?
Apo. Pag-land yan. Tapos nakakross.
Ayan, guys. Yan yung drop.
Okay. So, ito pag magkaiba pala siya. Akala ko isa lang yun. Water slide. Guys, slide naman to. Dude, kaya mo yan.
Kaya niyo po yan.
Anong feeling ko yan?
Parang yung kaluluan natatanggal. Tapos mabalik din naman. Mabalik din yun after 2 seconds.
Ganon. Baka kapag ano ko yan, namumutla na ako. May ambulansya ba sa baba?
Mami!
Safe na safe.
Mami, try mo na!
Ayoko.
Try mo?
Tatry ko yung water, slide coaster.
Okay, nakuha po sa vlog.
Hi guys! This part of Norwegian Aqua is by Beach Club. So, exclusive to. Except for today na open for everybody dahil nga bago si Norwegian Aqua. So, we're now here in the hot tub. dahil malamig. Hindi yun na itatanong maginaw, ha? Maginaw. Diba? Palikura mo, B. Papalikod. Yes, si Hazel ay nagpo-photoshoot pa dun. And we are facing, by the way, the harbor of Southampton. Yes, Southampton Harbor. Sorry guys, may glare. This is glass. Yeah. O, diba? Sana all. Ano naman, mapapa-all ka na lang lagi. Ganda. This is Vitality Pool. Pwede tayong humiga doon. Yes. Kandiga may higa-higa. Oh, ang sarap. Wow. So, nagba-vibrate na yan. And they call it Vitality Pool. O, diba? Merong medyo pahiga-higa ka dyan. Pahiga feels like this. Ayun, humiga. Samahan mo akong humiga, Mare. I love it. Sarap ng hydro massage. I love it. Ay, meron pa pala dito. Nice.
Favorite to ni June. Nakita ko na lang siya nakahiga na dito.
Kailan?
Sa Escape. Norwegian Escape.
Pero bet ko to. Nice. I love it.
So nice. This is like the best gift ever.
Di, ang sarap sa galing. Yung parang, yung mga stress mo yung sa back.
Nawala ka?
Yeah. Oh, baby, no matter who there is a place on earth. Woo, 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 woo. Currently in the salt room, ayan, this is for relaxation. Relax in the salt and inhale to receive the full benefits. So, nice. Sarap magpa-spa. So guys, we are at the aromatic steam room. Alam nyo ba, ang sarap ng amoy, nakaka-relax. Sarap pag-inhale, exhale. I love it. Hindi ko makuha. Ayun, nadali mo, girl. Supposedly, kahapon, meron akong reservation ng Hasuki, pero kasi yung aming POC, nag-treat siya ng Lebisto.
Ano POC?
Point of contact. Sunset na guys, by the way. Tingnan nyo. See? Look at that! Okay. Ang ganda, hindi nyo nakikita yung pinaka, ayun o, yung sunset. Nagre-reflect kasi yung mga ilaw. O, diba ang ating girl, o? Ang sabi niya, ano. Bigay gusto ko kanin. Lagi tayo mo lang, guys, eh.
Oo nga, hindi ko na napapansin.
Ay, hindi ka na nagdidemand, ano. Nasanay ka na. Parang, for today, diba, kagabi walang rice. Kaninang morning, walang rice. Kaninang tanghali, wala rin rice. Binigyan ako ng rice, pero patapos na kasi ako, so hindi ko na siya nakain. parang isang kutsara lang. So, gusto ko ngayon ng kanin.
Tara.
Ang sarap eh.
Guys, ayaw na niyang tumayo. Say hi sa vlog mo.
Hello.
Yan siya kapag nakapatay ang camera.
Antok na ako. Ano yan?
Psst. Approve. Heidi loves.
Oo.
Heidi recommends. Meh. Tara na.
Masarap eh. Ang sarap sa ba? Wait lang.
3 hours later.
Sobrang good decision na nag-thermal cruise kami. Dahil na-relax ako. Ang sarap ng feeling. Ang gaang ng pakiramdam. Tapos parang gumanda yung skin ko. Parang nag-moisturize siya at saka nag-glow siya. Anyways, heading for dinner. O, diba? Parang maga lang dito sa ship. Ang bango! Ang bango ng decorte. Ganito lang yung routine natin sa ship. Gising, kain, activities, kain, activities, kain, tulog. Ganon. Today, guys, may mga bagong sumakay, So, baka merong welcome party. May mga activities. Gusto kong mag-slot machine. So, tara. Ayan na sila, Hazel. Okay, see ya. Okay, let's go. At meron na naman tayong freestyle daily. Okay, guys. So, today is March 26. Day 2 daw. Kasi may mga sumakay. This is for tomorrow. Today is 25. And then, meron silang pa-time notice. Ayan. Turn your clocks forward 1 hour tonight as we enter a new time zone. May pa-notice. Ay, bakit hindi ako pwede magkasino pag nakachinela? Wait lang. May mga resto kasi na hindi pwedeng naka-sleeper. So, parang hindi na tayo babalik. Kain na ako, guys. At gusto ko ng kanin. Ilang araw nang walang rice. Parang 2 days. So, kailangan ko na ng carbo. Hi! I feel so good. Ang sarap. Uulitin pa namin yon. Siguro one more try ng Thermal Street before we disembark the ship. Hindi natin laging magagawa yun. Take advantage natin while it's free. Deck 6. Pasuki tayo. Deck 10. So, wala tayong reservation with the resto. Tingnan natin kung ma-accommodate tayo. If not, no choice except for sa complimentary dining tayo pupunta.
Hello!
Pasuki kasi is specialty dining. Okay, so sana ma-accommodate tayo, no?
Sa Thursday, all aboard 3:30 pala sa Belgium.
3:30. Anong oras ang
Dating.
ang labas pwedeng lumabas?
Siguro mga 9 or 10, no?
Okay na. Oo.
Meron, punta na lang tayo.
Kaya
Sabi
natin
ni
yun.
Madam, baka kayo doon ng 8 p.m.
Ang alin?
Gagagaling ko lang sa Hasuki.
Ay, talaga?
Nagpa-cute tayo.
Nagpa-cute ka?
Kung pwede.
8 o'clock pwede daw. Sige. Dinner at Hazuki. Japanese it is. Excited ako kumain. Ha? Dito may performance. Dito. Parang dati ganito rin yung pwestuhan natin.
Let's be honest. There's a difference between German and that's why the good things are built. Very good.
Papo ano ah? Dressing. Ba't yung dressing?
Yes, Asuki, the most quiet and romantic restaurant on board. Okay? Yeah, let me allow to introduce myself. My name is Francis. Francis, my name, all the way from Philippines. The celebration tonight like birthday, anniversary, honeymooners. I'll be walking down the street playing. He looks fine. He looks, you know, we clap your hands. If you're sexy and you know, if you really wanna show. If you're sexy and you know it, say oh yeah. Yes. Everybody. Oh, later. Over easy. Everybody hungry now? Another 1 hour, okay? Everybody hungry now? Yes. Wow. I smell your fried rice, huh? Yes. In US, they call this fried rice. In Mexico, arroz fritos. Okay. In India, biryani. Yes. In China, chow pan. In Japan, yakimishi. Yes. Yeah. In Philippines, sinangan. How about your country, sir? Forget that. Where are you from, sir? Finland. Finland. And the carrots. Everybody okay with this? Yeah. No allergy? Very good. Easy for me. No allergy. Yeah. They call this in Japan the Japanese mosquito. Yeah, that's my favorite one. You want to see? I show you a mosquito. This is the yellow sauce, alright? Yes, yellow one. The yellow one is... No, the yellow one. Yeah, the white sauce is for the meat. Chicken and... Alright? That's for you, madam.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato gozaimasu. And for my boyfriend. Sir, that's how you enjoy. Thank you, sir. Alright, guys. Enjoy, guys. I wish it. It's good? Lovely? Oh, thank you. Yeah, remember, if you want more, just call my name. Yeah? Salt and pepper. Oh, thank you. Salt and pepper. Alright. Guys, I repeat the rice. Rice. One more rice? Sure. Good? Good rice? Yeah. Sir? Alright. The chicken is coming now. Together with the steak. Wow. Very nice steak. Right. Garlic butter, the secret ingredient in teppanyaki. If you want like this, I teach you. Just buy butter, cholesterol free, sugar free, okay?
Green tea and ice cream.
And everything he made it.
Waiting for the shore excursion to open kasi mag-book tayo ng shore excursion for tomorrow because tomorrow we will be in Belgium. Yes. Sana maaraw bukas. So yan yung mga available na tour excursions for tomorrow. And I'm in line already. Wow, Belgian chocolates. 2 o'clock pa sila. merong London. Ito.
9880, right?
Yes.
9130.
So, Christine and Heidi.
Yes. See you around.
Yes, of course.